Discover the VOXBOX, a new interior designing program, and plan a space adjusted to your needs within a few simple steps. The VOXBOX is available online so you can conveniently use it in your home as well as in our showrooms with the help of Vox advisors. At the beginning, create a room. Choose one of the ready shapes or make your own. Mark the dimensions in centimeters and don't forget about room height. Then add windows and doors. You can also add partition walls. You can change the room view from 2D to 3D and conversely at any time. You can also show a grid to make placing furniture more convenient. If you want to view the room from another perspective, use the mouse cursor or keyboard arrows. Scrolling zooms in or out the view. Add successfully interior elements. Start by choosing furniture. You can pick them from the list sorted by collection or type. Rotate the furniture by using arrows on the screen and move them with the cursor to the selected place. Choose the floor and paint the walls in your dream color. The prices of the selected products are constantly calculated, and each element is automatically added to the shopping list. The created list can be transferred to the online cart or ordered directly if you are in the Vox store. Aside from furniture, there is a wide selection of Vox decorative items sorted by category. Additional elements are also available that help to create an ambience and make the interior more realistic. Due to the Open Furniture function, you can check if selected pieces of equipment are freely used. In the Walk mode, you can explore your interior. Use the mouse or keyboard arrows to move around it. By using the Take a Picture function, you can also capture your favorite interior elements on the realistic photographs. Show them to your friends and inspire them to create their arrangements. You can save your work on the project menu at any time. After saving, you can open it and send it to someone to view. You can also open your project in the Vox store, consult it with the advisor, and immediately buy selected items that you saved on the shopping list. In selected Vox stores, you can use VR goggles to enter the designed room. Begin designing now at voxbox.pl.